Take a ride in the 2020 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.